Do you want free leads and sales all day, every day? Would your business love profiting from prospects who visit your website all by themselves to turn into leads and customers without you having to do anything or spend any money on ads? If the answer is yes, then stop everything else and pay careful attention, because what you will learn here will set you free from the struggle and the insane expense of finding qualified traffic for your business. I am talking about SEO that actually works. SEO can get you high-quality traffic in any niche: e-com, services, local business, real estate. There's not a single niche which won't give you high profit returns if you get your site to rank. Now, SEO is all about backlinks. Any amateur SEO practitioner will tell you that, but what they won't tell you is that all backlinks, well, they're not equal. Google's AI engine now understands the context of every web page, and if your site has backlinks from unrelated, out-of-context web pages, then you simply won't get ranked. The only good way to do SEO is with do-follow links inside guest posts on high-quality, high-ranking websites. This can generate even more traffic than paid traffic from Facebook. Google drives 10 times the traffic from Facebook every day to sites just like yours, but not yours. It's time to change that. It's time to claim a share of this free, evergreen, ever-growing traffic. It's time to climb the SERPs and get traffic that doesn't cost you a cent. It's time to start building quality backlinks. It's time to get Postifluence. Postifluence is the all-new backlink outreach app from Technicforce, the trusted company that has helped hundreds of thousands of marketers just like you to succeed with their high tools for nearly a decade now. With Postifluence, you could do your SEO backlink building from start to finish on full automation, right from finding the perfect high-ranking sites that are open to guest posts to getting your message through to the right person and getting the actual backlink placed. Postifluence does everything. Postifluence gets you real guest posts and do-follow links, not the PBN profile posting or comments tripe that does more damage than good to your rankings. All you need to give Postifluence is the keyword or niche, and it will find the best ranking blogs that do accept guest posts and links. It'll even give you the traffic estimate, Alexa ranking, email, and phone number of the blog. Just shortlist the blogs that you want to target, and Postifluence will start off an email outreach campaign, reaching out to the blog admin to convince them to put your blog post there. Sends the mail using Gmail address or G Suite or Outlook to make sure you get to the inbox and get a positive response every time. Not just email, Postifluence can also send SMS messages to the blog owner and get you guaranteed attention and a positive response. Postifluence uses personalization tech and snippets to make every outreach 100% unique. You can have full automation or full control. You can set it up and let it work or change anything at any stage. You have full granular control. We want you to succeed at SEO, and we are going to make sure we give you every single thing you need to get those results. When you get Postifluence, we won't just give you the software, you will also get top-notch training that will show you how to get the best results from Postifluence so that you can get the maximum number of quality backlinks. You'll learn the best tricks, the secrets, and the methods to get top rankings. Act fast, and you'll also get a commercial and agency license. Now that authorizes you to use Postifluence for your clients. Set up campaigns, get backlinks, and get organic traffic for others. Charge them one time or a monthly retainer. It's totally up to you. You know, customers are hungry for traffic right now. The pandemic has made classic marketing methods virtually unusable. People want to reach more prospects, and they are desperate for any way they can do so. Just do one search on Fiverr or Freelancer, and you will find tons of SEO and backlink jobs. If you want to create an online agency without the hard work, then this is your chance to cash in. Don't wait any longer. The offer does not get any better than this. Get your Postifluence right now. You are protected with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you don't like the amazing difference that Postifluence makes to your traffic growth, Just tell us within 30 days of your purchase and we will refund all your money without any hassle. Don't keep your SEO success waiting any longer. Get the app right now, that powerful app that automates the only correct SEO system. Click on the button below and get instant access to your Postifluence right now.